everyone! Today we are going to make Langga, the horned head from East Nusa Tenggara. And as you can see in this picture, that is the Langga head. And today we will make the Langga, the horned head from paper. To make the Langga, the horned head from paper, you need a piece of paperboard and then rope. You can use any rope you have in your house, and then a pencil, glue, scissors, and a bucket. First, draw a circle with the bucket. After you get the circle, you can cut the circle. And you will have this. Now you can fold the circle in half. And you can cut the circle like this. After you finish cutting around the circle, you will have this. Then you can take the paper that you have used to make the circle, and then you can cut the paper into a rectangle. And then you can cut it. After that, you can fold it and you can cut it, so you will have two parts. And then take one of them and fold the paper like this. Stick it on the circle paper. You can take your rope and then you can start weaving like this. At the end of weaving, you can tie the rope. Fold the paper like this, and then on the other side you also can do the same thing. make a small hole on this part with your scissors and then do the same thing on the opposite side. And then put the rope through the holes that you have made, and then you can tie the rope. Now it's time for us to make the horn of the head. You can take the paper that you have used before and then you can make a cone by rolling the paper like this. And then you can put some glue on it. And you can cut this part so you will have a cone. And to stick the cone on the head, you can use a tape. After you finished applying the tape on the cone, you can decorate the cone with the rope. And you can stick the cone on the head. Ta-da! This is your Langga the horned head, and you are ready to wear it on your head. Okay, bye-bye everyone!